foam rollers. Not the big foam rollers that we use in the studio. This is 4-inch diameter, and this is a 3-inch diameter. I don't know why this came in 2 pieces, but it did, so I taped it together. This is 3, this is 4. Depending on the size of your client, or if it's a child, different sizes, maybe have 2 pieces in the studio. I buy them as the big 36-inch and just slice them like bread into pieces. They're super easy to cut. All right, go ahead and lie down, darling. Don't conk your head on all this stuff. I'm feeling that you're a 4. Let's try it. What's that?
That would be something to just lay my head on something.
All right, lift your head up. Okay, so we're just going to place the foam roller in her neck. We think that's too big? No, I kind of like it. So you see that it is obviously creating a nice curve because the neck is supposed to have that normal curve. It's not under her skull. I don't want to push her head more forward, but I could actually do better than that. So I'm going to wind it in. I would like the client to do this, but you have to teach them. I'm going to wind it in there, so watch the difference. Just relax, honey. Don't lift up. I nestled it. I wound it backwards and I nestled it closer to the bottom of her neck. Because where is the curve of your neck? It's not up here. The curve of your neck is way down in the middle of your neck. So now look at the curve she's creating in her neck. 3 minutes a day would change your life if you have a problem with the curve of your neck. It's certainly not going to hurt anybody. If they had a fusion, I wouldn't do this. If they had maybe dizziness problems, I wouldn't do this. If they had atherosclerosis, I wouldn't do this because you don't want to do anything crazy in the facets of the neck and stretch them.
Angela,
Yes.
if they had a fusion somewhere else in their spine?
Fine.
Okay.
Fine. Yeah. This curve restoration, I mean, you guys should all be doing this because I mean, who doesn't have a cell phone? I mean, how long can you look at Instagram and time flew by and you had your head down for an hour? So this is a nice counteracting thing that you could do with a client. In 3 minutes, 2 minutes, give them homework to do this. How does it feel?
It's not uncomfortable.
It's not uncomfortable, but it's not fabulous. After 3 minutes, she's not going to really feel the same way about it. She's going to say, I call it spicy. It doesn't hurt. It starts to get a little spicy, like, oh, okay. My neck doesn't really love that. Because if your neck is flat, it's not going to love that. Have you been doing this? Okay. So other than that, I like the dog bone pillow, any kind of round pillow instead. So during your work, maybe a nice neck pillow too. She's still getting an amazing curve of her neck, but it's not as bossy as this. Right behind you in that toy box with the reformer, there should be a neck pillow.
Yeah. Yep.
A black one? Yeah. Thank you. I like these two for the reformer, you guys. First of all, it's vinyl, so you can clean it. It's got a little neck in it, plus it will lift the head up. So it will fit, give you neck, give you a head boost. These are fabulous. These are made by Stamina. You can find them on Google. So this would be another nice neck moment for your client. Because the pillow of the client's head is it's just pushing the head forward. It's not, I mean, you're pillowing the head, but you're not necessarily pillowing the neck to restore that curve. Make sense?
Grandma, you
Yeah.
can use this on the headrest of the reformer.
100% fits right in there.
Right.
That's what it's made for. With the headrest up.
With it up.
With it up. Unless if it looks too extreme to you,
Right.
then modify your headrest. Some folks like it flat with this, or it totally depends on your client. You know, if they're kyphotic, if they're whatever. Okay? All right, thank you. So I just wanted to talk about that because it's such a prevalent thing. Not that it's so scoliosis related, but almost every person with scoliosis has a neck thing. And you can't see it, but I'm going to pretty much guarantee you it's there.
What about, let's
So keep it in mind.
head shearing? Like with
Same
that-
thing, right?
so
If
that's
someone is
really
head
good,
shearing,
yeah.
that neck is flat.
Right. Which is good.
It's not going to look good on an x-ray. I don't think so. Okay, very cool. Glad we did that. So get you some foam rollers, 3 or 4 inch, maybe a couple of both. Chop them into pieces. We'll have them in the studio. You can sell them to your clients, or they can buy them on Etsy.